Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll guide you through how to activate the plugin and load dummy reviews. Start by activating the Pro Smart Showcase plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This will allow your reviews to integrate smoothly onto your site. After activation, you'll be directed to the license page. Enter your license key to unlock all features and receive updates. After activation, head to your dashboard. Here, you'll notice that dummy reviews will appear automatically for preview, in case you prefer not to connect your Google account just yet. Next, navigate to the Reviews settings, where all the reviews will be listed. Remember, these are placeholder dummy reviews since the Google account is not connected yet. Then go to the widget settings to personalize how the reviews will appear on your site. You can choose a layout, whether it's a slider, grid, list, badge, or pop-up. Select the one that best fits your site's design and feel free to explore the options. When you set up your widget, begin by selecting the layout that works best for you. Then personalize it by adjusting the settings, filtering reviews by their rating, hiding unwanted elements, adding keywords for the front end, toggling reviews on and off, trimming lengthy reviews, adjusting the language, sorting reviews by newest, lowest, or highest rating, changing the date format, and even enabling a Load More button for visitors to see additional reviews without needing to refresh the page. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Get Code. Now your short code is ready. Just copy it. You'll be using this to display the reviews on your site. Head over to the Pages section, then paste the short code you copied into the page. Save or publish the page to make the reviews appear live on your site. Finally, preview the page to make sure the dummy reviews are displayed correctly. Even without a connected account, all the filters you applied should work as expected. This step shows how you can effectively showcase Google reviews using dummy data and shortcodes, without needing to immediately connect to Google. That's all for activating the plugin and loading dummy reviews in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect with Google to pull in real reviews. If you need any help, be sure to check out the full documentation or contact support. Thanks for watching.